Yes, you can have a garbage disposal even if you're on septic. In fact, I think it's actually better for septic systems to have one. You know, this is actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but this definitely needs some organization. Candle? Now I love to cook, and Friendsgiving is almost always at my house. And normally 3/4 horsepower is just fine for garbage disposal. But since I have septic, I'm gonna upgrade mine from 3/4 to 1 horsepower because that's gonna help make sure the food is fully ground up before it goes into my septic system. Okay, so we gotta undo this. Need a screwdriver. First thing I need to do is disconnect the disposal from the drain. Okay. I always forget how cramped it is to work under a sink. Oh, that's gross. My face was real close to that. Now we should be able to just twist it off. Oh, I might need some channel locks here with this one. Maybe I'll do the 2 screwdrivers method. Hold this one here, and get this guy in here. I'll spin it. Oh, there we go. That's coming. Okay. Yeah, that worked fine. There we go. That's it. Pops out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Accidentally just turned the water on. That is a mess. Okay, I need a towel. There was not supposed to be any water involved in this, I'm just saying. This is extremely unfortunate. The faucet I have, like you touch it and it turns on, and I guess I accidentally touched something conductive here because it turned on. This is a 1 horsepower disposal from Glacier Bay. Grab the instructions and then just toss them. I'm kidding, don't do that actually. This actually might be something we needed here. I'm gonna put those right here. But this guy should actually retrofit. This should be able to slide on without changing anything out underneath the sink, without doing any plumbing. So it should be like a really fast install. What is that? Very interesting. What is that? I do need the instructions. I think it's an anti-vibration thing. Magnetic catch. Oh, it's a magnetic catch. That's right. So this guy has a bunch of magnets and it wraps around here. Once you get this on, I believe just under there. We'll find out. But essentially what it does is it catches stuff before it goes down there. So if you have like a spoon, it's gonna catch it on the magnetic catch so that it doesn't go down and actually get chewed up by your garbage disposal. Ruin the spoon, ruin the disposal. That's pretty dope. That's awesome. I totally forgot it had that. So we're just gonna mount it up into this, around and on. Sweet. Let's get this guy facing the right direction. I'm gonna take some channel locks because these last bit, that's really hard to get it to really snap in. So I'm gonna take channel locks. We're gonna squeeze either side. There we go. Now that's in there. It's really in there. And let's attach this guy again. It feels cross-threaded. Oh wait, hold on. These are the old screws. That's silly. I'm gonna need new screws. Okay, new bracket. Back in. Where's that towel? Oh no, those are definitely going in way easier. Okay, there's another screw on the other side here. Now we're just gonna tighten this guy up. Everything's in place. And we're done. That's all. We did it. It was literally like 5-10 minutes. Now let's test if it works. So now I'm gonna install this magnetic collar. This guy, you wrap it around here, just goes like this. And it like snaps on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Snaps on. Don't see any leaks. Let's try this. Oh, sounds amazing. That's quieter than my last one too. Nice.